Welcome to the in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store application, and here on the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the app, click here enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher and click twice to OK. Now just go back, here click to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now just go back, so we'll just go somewhere okay, here we can enter something. So as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis here. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.